said that he be cute when he get older. Cause now I'm about to turn 21. So I guess I'm brushing dirt up off my shoulder. We can't hit the couch with this Netflix. We can 96, I'm dyslexic. Working 9 to 6, I'm just stressed. Shit, not trying to be a suit. Not to bend my back, girl. You trying to be a masseuse. Oh, girl, look at you. You so crazy, sexy, cool. We sauteing vegetables. I mean, we happy, we healthy. Got no money, but we wealthy. Do a show if they will tell me that they'll pay me cash. BFA don't wanna pay no tax. BFA don't wanna pay no tax. A Democrat drinking Henny and Jack, and I'm just trying to chill, relax. Polly in with Polly side. Vegas, who is probably 5. Beta, who look like she immigrated from some place that I would like to take vacation. She take really good notes and write all the annotations. First in class, hand raising, raise a glass to good people. Going great places. Going great.
And I can tell you like to feel the champagne chill. I don't break big bills, $2 out of me. And I can tell you like to feel the bruise on fraud. We only got Rainier, Coors costume. And I can tell you like to feel.
Grinding hard, we say no rest. Matter of fact, we say no stress. Keep it real, Delonte West. Some motherfucker short complex. I'm trending, trendy camouflage. Popping off, I'm cheddar bar. I don't need you swish it, dog. Keep pouring, that's not enough. Chardonnay and solo cups. Everybody here wanna buy me shots. Everybody here think my pocket's buff. Trick or treat, she tempting me. Please don't trip out my physique. Money talks is on repeat. You talk too much, cause doctor's cheap. I hit the hill, fuck them all. Hold up, shots to Maui shine. I can buy clothes when the sale goes on. I can buy clothes when the sale goes
you
on.
like to feel the champagne chill. I don't break big bills, $2 out of me. And I can tell you like to feel the bruise on fraud. We only got Rainier, Coors costume. And I can tell you like to feel.
Motherfucking microphone checker. Keep that grip tight like my Smith & Wesson. Ike with the mic, which nigga tryna turn up. Hit you with the hurtful fucking truth like Sojourner. Motherfucking microphone eater. Spitting hot shit, hit your dome with the heater.